I really want to welcome everyone to the culmination of our journey here, the final chapter in our quest to unlock your supernatural potential. So, I'm your host. My name is Uzi Moses, as you already know. And today, we embark on a voyage that transcends the boundaries of the ordinary and venture deep into the realms of the extraordinary. So, it's really all about bridging scientific studies and the latest studies that were enabled through technology that was just available recent years. We are able to bridge science and esoteric wisdom like never before. And it's really all about bridging. It's all about bridging. Humanity is one big family, and we need to understand that it's time for us to come together and unite and make this world better, heal the world. But before we do that, we have to work on ourselves, and we have to, each and every one of us, heal themselves, work on yourself. And when you're ready, you are able to help the world. I was giving an example to a friend the other day. I said, when you're on an airplane, right? And before the airplane takes off, they show you a little video and they tell you, listen, in case we fall down, in case, God forbid, something happens, there's going to be some air masks coming out. So if you have a child next to you, I know that instinctively you want to give the child first, right? But no, you have to give yourself first the air because if you are not well, how can you help the child, right? So you have to make sure you are okay, and then you can help everybody else around you. So that's the message I want to make regarding that. So in this episode, we unravel the enigmatic concept of the quantum field, the field where the laws of the universe converge with the essence of spirituality. Drawing from the profound work of Dr. Joe Dispenza, we'll explore how the quantum field interlaces with our consciousness. So, again, the quantum field is a term that pretty much represents godliness, represents, they call it, we call it the creator, they call it the quantum field. It's the same thing. There is an invisible field that we can't see with our five senses, but it's there. And we can tap into it. When we do, things becomes really, really, really exciting. And I can tell you that from my experience, I was going through a little bit of a challenging situation the other day. And then my friend texted me and she said, just like try to meditate, just try to tap into the quantum, which means like connect to God. And I took 5 minutes and I closed my eyes and I started meditating. And when the 5 minutes finished and I opened my eyes, everything changed. Everything changed. It's like the problem never even existed. And it's really, really working. So stay with me, keep listening so you can use these amazing tools in your life as well. So the quantum field is not just a scientific theory, okay? It's the realm of limitless potential. It's the canvas upon which our intentions and thoughts paint the masterpiece of our life. And guys, I mean, this is amazing. I mean, just let me just say this again. This is coming from Joe Dispenza himself. That the quantum field is not just a scientific theory. It's the realm of limitless potential. It's the canvas upon which our intentions and thoughts paint the masterpiece of our lives. This is why our thoughts are so profound and our intentions are so critical. And we have to be very selective. So Dr. Dispenza's insights reveal a profound truth that our thoughts and intentions ripple through the quantum field, shaping the reality we experience. It's a notion that blurs the line between science and spirituality, underscoring our role as a co-creators of our lives. So again, this is something um, that a lot of people just don't understand how powerful they are. I keep saying that human beings are very powerful because we have the ability to ripple through the quantum field through our thoughts and our intentions, which means, we can turn reality. I wrote it in my book, um, World of Illusion, Mindset of the Stages. I write there that, when there is certain things that once you get it, reality becomes like a Play-Doh. You can draw the masterpiece of your life. You can create the masterpiece of your life, and become a co-creator together with the creator of the world. So, but again, let us turn our gaze towards the Tanya. The Tanya is one of the most, it is a masterpiece that was written by the first Rebbe of the Chabad movement, Rabbi Zalman Shneur of Vladi. And I've been talking about him a lot. I just happened to be born on the same day that he was born, Chai Elul. We just celebrated our birthday last Sunday. And again, in the Tanya, the concept of divine unity and interconnectedness takes center stage. Okay, so there is a really divine unity of all creation. And this is something that the Tanya constantly emphasizes. Dr. Dispenza calls it the quantum field. So the universe, again, from the Tanya, from Rabbi Shneur Zalman, the universe is not a disjointed collection of entities. It is an intricate web of divine unity. Every being, every atom is connected through the divine thread that waves the tapestry of existence. So again, the quantum field, the word quantum, it means one. It means one and united. And then Rabbi Zalman Shneur really makes a point here that everything is connected. It's not a collection of entities. It's a web of divine unity. And it took science many years to get that. I mean, Rabbi Zalman Shneur lived 400 years ago, around 400 years ago. And he was already preaching that. And science just recently kind of, okay, quantum field. So Rabbi Shneur Zalman's teaching began us to embrace the idea that we are all interconnected, not just with one another, but with the very fabric of the universe. It's a perspective that fosters a profound sense of unity and purpose. So as we bridge these insights, we find a common theme that our thoughts, intentions, and actions hold the power to shape not only our individual lives, but also the collective reality we share. That means that every thought that you have, it's not only affecting you, it's affecting everyone. This is why every thought is important. Every action is important. It really is something that when we really understand how connected we are and how much we are affected by others and how much we affect others, and when we intentionally try to affect the world in a positive way, we are creating a profound change in the world. So again, we're going back to quantum physics, that the science reveals the interconnectedness of all things at the quantum level, mirroring the spiritual truth of divine unity. So quantum physicists already pretty much saying, yeah, all these people, they were right. All the sages, they figured it out themselves without technology, without machinery, through meditation, through prayer, through real, true connection, through the divine unity. So they call it, so in spirituality it's called divine unity. In science it's called the quantum field. So it's a convergence that invites us to recognize our role as stewards of both our personal destinies and the world around us. So really, if we really understand that every action that we take affects the whole world and ripples through the whole quantum, then we need to take more responsibility for our actions and try to initiate a more positive actions. That's why, for example, the idea of giving donations, it's so profound and it's so amazing. Because when you give a donation, but when you give it with full heart and with happiness and joy, you're literally saving the world. You're creating a ripple effect that just brings positivity everywhere. So as we conclude the series, and again, this is not going to be a very long series because today it's Friday and we just about there's a lot of preparation, because of the Shabbat. We are right in front of the holiday of Rosh Hashanah, which is coming up next weekend. Now it's pretty much the last Shabbat of the year, the last Shabbat of the Jewish year. And after this Shabbat, it is going to be a very, very crucial week right before Rosh Hashanah. It's a week that we really, really need to get ourselves together, overcome all our negative desires, overcome all our negative emotions, be very selective of what we think, and make sure that every action that we do has a positive ripple effect on the world. So as we conclude the series, and this is a 5-episode series, and again, the series is not going in depth into everything. It's just really taking the ideas of esoteric wisdom and science and bridging them and showing the viewers and the listeners how much in common we all have. It's unbelievable. So again, as we conclude the series, may we carry with us the profound understanding that we are more than observers of reality. We are active participants and co-creators. So by embracing the quantum field and the concept of divine unity, we unlock the door to a reality infused with purpose, connection, and boundless potential. This is where all our dreams can manifest. So again, really, really unbelievable stuff, unbelievable concept. If you want to get into more depth with it, feel free to contact me. Write me, contact me, reach out to me. I'm here for you. I'm going to make myself available to help people that needs help, people that feel stuck, people that feel that maybe they're not doing something. Maybe they need help with making that switch of understanding of the world and life. So I'm here for you. Reach out to me, no charge. So thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. I really appreciate you doing that. And remember that you possess the keys to unlock your supernatural potential. It's in your hands. As we part ways today, may your path be illuminated by the radiant light of transformative unity. Because really, to tap into this, we have to change, we have to transform, we have to unlearn a lot of stuff. But really, it's worth it. It's worth it because it makes life so exciting. So stay tuned for new beginnings and exciting adventures. Until we meet again, embrace the quantum field, honor the divine unity, and may your reality be a masterpiece of your own creation. So this is where I conclude. And again, I want to give you a quick reminder about this coming Saturday night. We're going to go live with Dr. Hiel Harari about how to make the coming year the best year of your life. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you for being here with me, and have a great weekend. Shabbat Shalom. Bye-bye.